This is our ply lining kit, and we are going to show you how to fit it and what's in the box. Follow me. We ship them in these low SB, I guess it's not a box, is it? It's a protective casing. We want them to arrive intact. In the box, we get a selection of panels. These are this size to fit in short wheelbase vans, and long wheelbase vans will be following, probably, hopefully live when this video goes live. First panel is a door store. This goes on your slidey door here. These are really simple pockets, basically just making use of the voids in this door. This void here is just like, it's pretty sizey. So those pockets just chill there, and it's a pretty handy area to use for storage. Coming in hot. You gotta close your door to install these suckers. The kit comes with these handy little, what do you call them, Max?
Popper? Not poppers.
Doodads.
Not poppers.
Not poppers. These guys push all the way in, and when they're finally in, that satisfying button to close. And it's the same theory to fit all the other panels. It's that push and hope. But yeah, now you can fill this full of lovely things. And then you get some little grey snakes that are really good for keeping your underpants attached to the van. But I usually go for a plus because I've got a brand that's got a plus as a logo. And then like a long one, like that. And these are just thick fur. How's my hair look?
Strong, man.
Hat and yeah, some guy lines. Like it's a really cool little kit. They come with this setup, and then you'll get the option to get the barn doors as well. We don't supply the panels for the tailgates and the roofs. This is a really scruffy roof here, but again, we don't tend to feel the need to do the roofs. They're pretty good. These panels, the Volkswagen panels, sucked. They did the roofs really good, so we've done these panels. And yeah, makes your space a bit more airy and handy and pretty. Head over to the website. They're not live today, but they will go live hopefully by the end of the week. They'll be live by the time you watch this.
See you later.
God bless.